Introduction to emergency contact alerts.
Family health apps are designed to keep your loved ones safe by providing timely notifications during urgent situations. Setting up emergency contact alerts ensures trusted people are immediately informed if a critical event arises. Let's walk through how to enable and personalize these alerts within popular parental well-being applications.
Accessing alert settings in your app.
Begin by opening your Family Health or Parental Wellbeing app. Navigate to the Settings or Notifications section, usually found in the app menu. Here you'll find an option for emergency alerts or emergency contacts. Selecting this feature will let you manage who is notified in case of a health emergency.
Adding and managing emergency contacts.
To add emergency contacts, enter the names and phone numbers or email addresses of trusted family members or guardians. Many apps let you select contacts from your device's address book or manually type in details. Double-check that each contact's information is accurate to ensure they will receive critical alerts.
Customizing alert types and triggers.
Most parental well-being apps allow you to choose what kinds of emergencies will trigger notifications, such as falls, unusual activity, or medical alarms. You can often customize whether alerts are sent via SMS, email, or app notifications. Adjust settings so alerts match your family's needs and preferences.
Testing and ensuring notification reliability.
After configuring contacts and preferences, use the app's test feature if available. Send a mock alert to confirm that each emergency contact receives the notification promptly. Regularly review and update contact details as your family changes to maintain reliable emergency communication.